Hey crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick little project to share because I'm always finding random things and I say I'm going to share it online and then I don't because I'm a slacker. I just want to make stuff, take a picture, post it on my social media and then move on to the next thing because my brain is always a million miles per, minute, second of how fast I'm trying to, I don't know, just move along. But I went this weekend to Dollar General because I saw all the Christmas stuff came out and I just wanted to take a look, see what the prices were because I didn't see a lot of the prices online and it kind of bugged me, but I had a feeling they were going to go up and they did. I like the Dolly. I'm not a Dolly Parton fan. Like she's cool, whatever. I never grew up listening to her music. But I love her Christmas line that she came out with at Dollar General. Although I gotta say, I do love her box mixes for cakes and muffins that she has with, I don't know if it's Dunkin' or Betty Crocker, one of those. Oh my God, those are so good. That's the only thing I'm like Dolly Parton, guys. But I went to go check it out and it was a bit pricey. Like there was a super cute pot holder that was a gingerbread house, but it was like $4. The quality wasn't 100% on it. Like I wasn't sold. There was some stuff that I did like, but it was like $8, and I kind of felt like that was too much. Like I know everything's going up. I know it. Like there's no way around it, unfortunately, but I'd rather buy other stuff. So what I found were, first of all, these cute little stickers, but $2. These would have been $1. These would have been $1. And I'm so heartbroken because I would have bought more because I'm not going to buy 2 packs. I'm trying to also limit what I buy because I have so much stuff that I don't use. And last year, I went and bought a bunch of stuff from Joann's because of course they're closing and they had tons of Christmas stuff. So I grabbed a lot of things and I just can't, I'm running out of space, honestly. And so, I just got one of each. Oh, I might go back if they still have some and maybe pick up, an extra set if I like the way they work out. But these are the cutest little like little acrylic bows. These are cute and bows are all the rage right now, so this is definitely a good set. And then these, I absolutely love these because I picked up a set and I can't find them. I don't know where they're at, but I know I picked up a set similar to this, I think at Michael's, and I can't find them because that's the disaster that my craft room is. But they were $2, and so I thought I'd share that. So if you guys, anybody's interested. But what I want to go back for more, because first I wanted to see if it was going to work or not before I spend another $2, is they have these cute little light up earrings, but I really think that they're perfect for charm dangles because I'm not going to wear these big old earrings. Like I don't even wear earrings. I don't wear jewelry, honestly. I don't know. Anyways, but it has this little thing that you take out and then you can turn it on. And so I thought, oh my gosh, wouldn't this be cute to make a charm dangle? So I'm going to see if it works. And they had the snowflakes too, which I thought, oh my gosh, this would be so cute on the side of a junk journal or a mini album that you set out. And then, maybe every now and then you can turn it on. Oh, I thought I was going to have to cut it, but I don't. They pop right out. Look at that. And now you have, oh my gosh, that would be so fun. But you got to be careful. It might give you seizures, But anyways, but I thought it'd be fun to show you how I have this fun little kit here that was gifted to me. I think I got this from Happy Crafter Shop. She has tons of dies right now. I need to go take a look. I've been slacking on buying stuff, you guys. I'm losing my mojo. I don't know why. Oh, look at that. That is so cute. Now, it is plastic, and it feels like it's gonna break. Look at that. It looks like there's a little space there. I don't know. But wouldn't that be so cute for a charm dangle on your junk journal, like December daily? These are so cute, you guys. Look at this. And I'm just... boom. I put a big one on this one. I think it'll work, yeah. Sometimes the jump rings get to be too small and I don't catch it before I start trying to put it together. Okay. But now I have a charm dangle and I can make a cute little one. I can make it longer, you know, depending on the size of your chain. And this one, it needs a silver one, and I don't have my silver stuff out right now. So I think this will be cute with the silver and some blue. So I might come back and share how I put them together. And then the other thing is I went to Walgreens. I had to pick up my husband's medicine. And come to find out they shipped it. Ugh. Don't you hate when you make a store run and then, well, this would try and do nice things for him. And then I get burned. But I found these rings for, I think they were $3.99. Yeah, they were $3.99, and it comes with 12, and I thought they were so cute, and the designs are pretty cute. But what I found is I took this cat and I tore it off. Like, it tears off. You could use an X-Acto knife, but I'm just tearing it. You just have to be careful because it could rip this if you're not. I might get a, I feel like they're like melted on. That's why they're peeling off so easy. Look at this. I mean, it's left kind of a little wonky, but you guys could always cover this with a little felt dot or something, or even like paper. But I mean, it's nothing crazy. But then I take my crocodile here. This thing is old. This thing's like 20 years old, you guys. I had this since I worked at a scrapbook store. That's when I first got it, because now it's all nice and fancy, but you just kind of punch a hole, and now you can do a cute little charm dangle on this one too, like boom. So definitely keep an eye out for these if you go to Walgreens. Look at that. I think this one, I don't know that I'm gonna do that. I think I might do one of those little backing clasps so that it'll glue on there. But look at this. This is so cute. And the witch. Love the witch. But I'm going to give you guys a little sneak peek. I've been working on a swap, and check this out. I made a cute little, I took a bow. I have this neon ribbon, and I took a bow and I put a charm dangle, or a jump ring, sorry, and I hung the charm dangle there. But look, isn't that so cute? Fun, you guys. So definitely take a look at your Dollar General and pick up some of these fun little, you know, earrings and stickers. And definitely check out Walgreens for this fun set of little jelly like rings. But I mean, if you have kids, obviously it'll work. But I think these are great for crafters. And you could even save these and maybe use them for something different. I don't know. We'll see if I come up with something. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. This is a quick little short video. I just wanted to share this because I thought it'd be so good for Halloween, for Christmas that's coming up. And also check out other earrings at other places, because sometimes they have them on clearance and you can use them as charm dangles, you know. Don't throw them away. Recycle, reuse. Anyways, thanks for watching, and come back for some more videos soon. Bye.